The media owners will institute a legal challenge against the withdrawal of their frequencies and the temporary self-provisioning license by the Communications Authority of Kenya.
Now, the media owners termed the move by the Communications Authority an affront to media freedom.
The announcement by the Communications Authority of Kenya came as a surprise, as the license and the frequencies had only been awarded to the media owners less than a month ago.
The withdrawal of the temporary authorization granted to the consortium by the three media houses under the consortium identified as African Digital Network. Subsequently, the authority shall repossess the frequency spectrum resources allocated to them with immediate effect.
The authority has accused the three media houses of running an advertisement that it says is misleading.
This is a regulator where, because we are arguing with two foreign-owned paid television stations, the guy decides at the stroke of the pen to decide that he's going to write off our investment of over 40 billion shillings and doesn't give a damn. This is also a regulator who is saying that all the money we have now committed to import these set-top boxes, to import the transmitters, to import the antenna, to import all the other things that are needed to set up the digital migration infrastructure, can go to waste. Why? Because you guys are fighting with two foreign-owned TV companies. And this guy is on the side of the foreigner.
Contrary to the claims by the Communications Authority of Kenya, there is only one channel that falls under the must-carry principle, and that is the public broadcaster KBC. A clarification in form of a letter signed by authorities Mutua Muthusi on behalf of the Director General stated that pay TV channels have been instructed that they must obtain consent to air material from the content providers.
We really would not want to be in areas of confrontation with the regulator and with any other agency. But we want that justice be done, and we are hoping that in time the action that the Communication Authority has undertaken will be reversed by the authority itself. We are asking the authority to do the right thing. It is completely unconscionable to cancel or revoke license of local media and to the advantage of foreign entities.
It is a very bad picture to any investor who may want to come that an investor and investors who have been in the country for so many years and who are actually part of the population of this country and who are citizens of this country can have their licenses removed, withdrawn without any notice, without any due process, without any explanation.
Further, the media owner's set-top box will be superior in that it will come with free Wi-Fi, 3 GB, and also a credit facility payable in 12 months. The media owners expressed surprise at the authorities' concerted efforts to protect foreign pay TV channels at the expense of local businesses that provide free-to-air content. Instead, the Communications Authority of Kenya is seen to issue an unspoken threat, that is, toe the line or else. We have committed up to 1 billion shillings in this venture.
There are 52 digital sites in the country. 56, yes. And the three media houses are saying, give us one frequency at each of these sites so that we are able to broadcast nationally. Because you don't want to have a broadcasting house that is not reaching some of the counties in the 47 counties.
The fight for frequencies, the fight for digital space by the three media houses is a fight for the right of Kenyans to access information.
We would have wished for more honesty from the Communications Authority of Kenya. The CAK has done a major disservice to this country by emerging not as an independent arbitrator, but as a partisan defender of special interests.
We are prepared for the long haul. Nobody is going to work or wish away the work of the journalists who take time and risk their lives to go to Capedo to get content and air the same content without compensating journalists. It's totally unacceptable, and we are prepared to go up to Paris in the Intellectual Property Court to defend our rights.
The media owners are in the process of importing their set-top boxes, having just received the go-ahead from the Supreme Court last month. Of the authorized digital signal carriers, Chinese-owned Pang has 60% of the available frequencies under star times and can transmit across Kenya. Even government-owned Signet, which is KBC, has only 25.59%. Media owners have only been allocated 9.95% frequencies with limited site locations, which means they cannot transmit in all parts of the country.
Nowhere in the world, and I want to repeat again, that a foreign company comes into another country and we're talking about national resources. We're talking about frequencies that are allocated to every country by the International Telecommunication Union. And 60% or 61% of those frequencies are handed over to a foreign company. For what purposes? To carry out television business, to charge Kenyans who have always enjoyed free television. And we are saying it's not right that frequencies that are meant to be used for wananchi, we should be talking about frequencies being available for counties.
You are trying to say that the stories, the stories that our people continue hearing will be tailored to the interests of a foreign media.
Catherine Omwando, KTN.